Task number 7, Web Shell, is part of the Shells overview room inside the Cybersecurity 101 learning path on TryHackMe. A web shell is a script written in a language supported by a compromised web server that executes commands through the web server itself. A web shell is usually a file containing the code that executes commands and handles files. It can be hidden within a compromised web application or service, making it difficult to detect and very popular among attackers. Here are some popular scripting languages for web servers: PHP, SAP, JSP, and even simple CGI scripts. PHP web shell. There you go. Smash. Smash. That's it. Smash. This is it. The above shell can be saved into a file with a PHP extension like shell PHP and then uploaded into a web server by the attacker by exploiting vulnerabilities such as unrestricted file upload, file inclusion, command injection. After the web shell is deployed on the server, it can be accessed through the URL. Here we have a vulnerable website with an upload form or upload page. And after we upload our shell, we can access it with this URL. As we observe from the code shell, we need to provide the get method. And in this method, we'll access the system command line, with which contains the command the attacker wants to execute. For example, if you want to execute the command who am I, the request will go like this. Right? By using the command line, we can use it to have this get request in order to output what we want from the system, from the web server. Existing web shells available. Here we see the power of supported languages by the web server can result in a web shell with lots of functionality and avoid detection at the same time. Let's explore some of the most popular web shells that can be found online. Here we see Pony shell and B74K shell, feature-rich PHP shell, file management and command execution, among other functionality. Here is a minimalistic, simple file PHP shell. C99 shell, another one, well-known and robust PHP web shell with extensive functionality. You can find more web shells over here, which is R57. Oh, there you go. Here you have a ton, actually. A ton of them. PHP, right? The scripting languages that we already read about. Base64 tools, encode, decode, obfuscator. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Answer the question below. What vulnerability type allows attackers to upload a malicious script by failing to restrict file types? Unrestricted file upload. What is the malicious script uploaded to a vulnerable web app to gain unauthorized access? Web shell.